Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today let's do some interesting craft works in our video. So here blue color is being taken a craft paper and then I'm making a peacock feathers and then orange color feathers and the green color feathers is being taken. Put some dots black onto the feathers, put a legs and the grasses. Take a yellow color paper. So let's make a duck into it. It's been folded into multiple times. Stick a glue onto it. Combine them and then stick an eyes and the nose and the leg. So let's move forward. Here a green color craft paper is being taken. So cut them into very tiny pieces, stick on them and then rotate them. Use a paper cup. A paper cup is made like a basket. Flower basket has been made. So next, a red color craft paper has been taken and it's been cut into different shapes. Use a glue, stick onto it and use another part and draw the ears, and then here's a hen that is being described, a bird of owl. And then a green color paper is being taken, rotate them, stick on the eyes, nose and then the lip, and a tail and the hands is being stick. A blue color paper is being taken, fold them into multiple times and then again fold it one by one into multiple times. Separate them. So stick one by one and here's the lollipop that has been made, and let's create a bow into the craft paper and stick onto it. So green color paper is being made, cut them into smaller pieces, and a blue color is being made. Stick one by one the green color paper that has been stuck, and then a blue color paper is being taken, stick the eyes and the nose and the legs. So a bird is being created. So here a yellow color and then a pink color and the purple color is being taken, fold them and stick together. A purple color craft paper is being taken, folding them into a triangle and different shapes in different angles. Fold them and here's a bird that is being made, and here's a peacock feathers that is being created using a craft paper. Let's take a red color paper and make a flower petals and stick one by one into it. So use a toothpick and make like a petals. Use a green color and then rotate them, stick one by one above the flower petals. So here's a leaf that is being made. So next here's a bouquet that is being created using the flowers. Next, a yellow color paper is being taken and then cut them, make a flower petals one by one. So stick the multiple papers and make a flowers from this with different colors. So take a violet color paper and then make a triangle into it one by one. So a triangle is being made and then a flower petals is being created. Combine them. Here's a beautiful flower that is being created using a craft paper. So slowly fold them and stick onto it. Thank you.